So this is Wikispaces.com. It's one of the few places you can create a free wiki. It is free only for educators. So what you will want to do is go to Wikispaces.com and you want to click on the wikis for individuals and groups, and sign up. You can scroll down and click on K through 12 wikis, and here's where you're going to create your wiki. So you're going to give it a username, password, email address, make a wiki. Yes, your wiki can be whatever you want to call it. Each time you want to create a new wiki, you get a chance to give it another name, so this can be as specific as for one class. So I'm going to say Intro to Computers Wiki. You have a couple options here. Public means anyone can view and edit your pages, and you don't want that. Protected means everyone can view it, but only people who are members of the wiki can edit them. This is one option for your class. If you want this to be available outside of your class to other people, but you don't necessarily want to make them members, this is a good option. If you just want to make it available to only people who are members of your wiki, then you would click on this one. You got to certify that you're going to be using it for K through 12 education, and you click join. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in. So this is what you would see. I'm going to create a new wiki for you. So this is my wiki for web design. I'm going to make this one protected so that other people can see it, but only members of the class will be able to actually edit it. Educational use and create. Let's make it web design PHS. There we go. Create. So I found a name that worked. Apologize for that. And this is the first screen you'll see. Now you can erase all this text. So the first thing you're going to want to do is probably make this user friendly and let people know that you didn't just start this wiki. So you're going to click on edit, and it's just like editing anything in a Word document. Highlight it all, hit delete, and once you've done that, you can click save, and there you go. Now if you noticed while you're in edit, you have the option to change your text color, different fonts, align it. You can have a background color which will kind of give it a highlight. So say I wanted background color to be dark gray, I want my text color to be white. And this is what it will look like down here, and you can apply it. Now, just make sure you highlight it before you apply it. There you go. You can preview it before you save it if you want to see what it looks like. Continue editing to go back and edit it. Click on save. You want to change the design, you go into Manage Wiki. And here's where you manage it all. You can manage all your different pages. If you need to rename a page, you can rename it. You can manage the files that you upload to it, manage people, permissions. You can send out an invite, so if you have all your students' emails, this is a way to invite all your students. Change the look and feel. You can add the school logo or your own logo. Go to themes and colors, it gives you a couple basic themes. And change the background color of it if you want to. Apply it. And there's new design. Go back to manage wiki and have all these notifications. You can import a blog post from a blog that you might have or from a blog that you want to share. So all this information to manage your wiki. Get to the home page. You have a discussion, which allows you to have discussion in your class. So you can post the question in here. Another nifty feature that I noticed in here is if you go to edit the page, you have widgets. In these widgets you can add all these different things as well as stuff over here. So a video from YouTube or any of these places or other to allow you to upload it from your computer. You can enter the calendar. So if you have a Google Calendar, you can, for your class, you can create it and then add it to your website. All these other options. So wonderful, wonderful tool for your class. And you notice as you build a page, it will create them over here. Helpful hint: when creating pages, if you want them to stay in a particular order, add a number before the title. So page 1, I would put 1- introduction. Page 2 would be 2- project 1, or whatever you want to call it. That way they'll stay in order. Otherwise it'll alphabetize them. Just a helpful hint. And that is how you create a wiki using Wikispaces. Have fun.